Welcome to our channel. If you're serious about saving money and time, you're in the right place. These 5 practical hacks can help you get ahead financially, even if you're just starting out. But here's the deal. Most people hear tips like these and never take action. Don't let that be you. Before we dive in, quick disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should always do your own research before making financial decisions. Now let's jump in. Hack 1. Meal prepping. Meal prepping is a total game changer. If you've ever found yourself grabbing overpriced takeout because you were too tired to cook, this hack is for you. Planning your meals ahead of time means you spend less, eat healthier, and waste less food. Let's talk numbers. Mark used to spend $15 a day on lunch at work, $300 a month. Once he started meal prepping, he cut that down to just $50 a month, saving $3,000 a year. That's an entire vacation. If you're not meal prepping yet, you're literally throwing money away. Hack 2. Use cashback apps. If you're not using cashback apps, you're losing free money. Apps like Rakuten and Ibotta literally pay you for shopping like you normally would. But here's the kicker. Most people don't take the 30 seconds to activate these offers. That's free money left on the table. Sarah started using cashback apps a year ago and has already earned $600 in rewards. That's an easy win for almost no effort. If you're not doing this, you're missing out on money that could be sitting in your account right now. Hack 3. Automate savings. Want to save money without even thinking about it? Automate it! The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting until the end of the month to save whatever's left over. Spoiler, there's usually nothing left. Look at David. He used to struggle with saving, but once he set up an automatic transfer of $50 a week, he built up $20,600 in a year without even noticing. And with compound interest? That's money working for him while he sleeps. The sooner you start, the more you'll have later. Hack 4. Utilize public transportation. Car ownership is expensive. Gas, maintenance, insurance, parking, it adds up fast. If public transit is an option, even using it a few days a week can save you hundreds every month. Case in point, Lisa ditched her second car and started taking the bus 3 times a week. She now saves over $200 a month, which she reinvests into her Roth IRA. That money will turn into tens of thousands by the time she retires. Future you will thank you for this one. Hack 5. DIY projects. DIY isn't just for Pinterest moms. It's for anyone who wants to save thousands of dollars. Need new furniture? Check Facebook Marketplace. Want to update your home? YouTube has thousands of tutorials that can teach you step by step. John wanted to redo his bathroom and a contractor quoted him $5,000. Instead, he learned how to do it himself and spent just $200. That's an extra $300 in his pocket. You don't need to be a pro to save serious cash. These aren't just nice-to-know tips. These are real strategies that real people have used to save thousands. The only question is, are you actually going to use them? Drop a comment below and let me know which hack you're trying first. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. The sooner you start, the more you save. See you in the next one.